Baloy!
Gusto niyo ba marinig yung next song namin?
Backward po, backward! Backward, backward! Backward! Backward po, backward! Backward! Wait lang!
Isip tayo mag-hote, bak tayo, bak!
Ganun lang tayo kasi gusto natin mag-enjoy ngayong gabi, di ba?
Ulitin ko yan sa poster, baba kayo dyan. Baba kayo mga kabataan, baba. O, baba kayo dyan, pumunta kayo ng ating mga kapulisin na pagkakabalik kayo.
Tulungan na lang po natin sila kuya makakabako ng poste.
Pumunta sa ating poster dyan. O, bigyan nyo ng luwag yan para magawa natin. Bigyan nyo ng luwag. Buhatin nyo, buhatin nyo. Para malang hintala dito sa atin. Buhat. Dahan-dahan lang ha, huwag kayo magtutulakan. Buhatin nyo, buhat. Pabuhat naman, papunta sa akin, pabuhat ako. Buhatin nyo mga kaibigan, buhatin nyo. Huwag kayo magtulakan, nalamitin ko. Buhatin nyo, papunta ito sa akin. Nasaan ka, buhatin?
Medic!
Iwan na po ba yan?
What's up, Bruce?
Oo, huwag kayo magtulakan natin. Isip sa ito.
Alright, hi guys, wait lang. Makinig muna. Sino naghintay para makita ang bill of perform? Di ba ang tagal natin nandito? Ngayon, ayaw naman tigilan yung performance. Pero, kung gusto ninyo sila kumanta, kailangan natin maging mabait. Tama ba? Mabait ang mga Blues! Mabait ang mga Blues! Diba? Mabait ang katalino kayo? Bait tayo! Dito! Dito po! Pwede pa tayo muna kumalma! Kala! Sinabili! Magbuhay manulula! Alright, kalma! Kalma muna! Kalma! Alright! Alright! Out! Ano to? May hanti para kaniwa ka! May po sa side! Alright! Almost there! Almost there! Malapit na po!
Hanggang kayo. Hindi na ihilo po atin na. Buhatin na. Huwag kayo magtulakan.
Ay, mas malakas siya. Grabe. Alright. Blues. Alam namin, kanina pa po kayo nandito at matagal po naghihintay po para sa bini. Ang bini naghihintay din para sa inyo po. Pero, sasabihin ko po sa inyo, kung hindi po tayo maghihintay ba, hindi na po kami po magkaka-perform. Kasi importante sa Bini na safe ang Blues. Tama? At ang Blues, question, mga Blues, gusto niyo safe ang Bini? Ang Bini gusto safe ang Blues. So please, dahan-dahan po tayo, kalma tayo ng konti. Kasi kung kalma kayo, makakakanta tayo ulit. Alright, calm down. Alright. Dahan-dahan po. Alright.
Para sa friends ko sa mga. Buhati ito, tulungan niyo po.
May batang lalabas dito, may batang lalabas. May batang lalabas. Hindi na lalabas. Dalawa.
Ayun, slowly, kumakalma tayo. Okay, oh.
Muli po mga kababayan, alas pa ang konti. Alaman niyo na ang dami ng pagtuloy. Para maituloy na natin to. Alas tayo.
Make way, make way, make way!
Alright, are you guys ready for the next song? Okay, tayo muna, we're going to perform. Huwag kayo mag-push, next song. Alright.
Ay, yung mga nanihilo dyan ha. Kapag-apalo. Kalma ha. Para kumanta na ulit sila sa inyo. Usip kayo konti. Please lang. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, ibibigay ko hilig nyo? Ang gusto ng Bini, sinisigawan ng malakas.
Some people are lifting up chairs. People are going crazy. We have people standing on chairs. These people really want Beanie bad.
glad that we got some order going on. These people rock Beanie really bad. This is my very first Beanie concert, and it ended in chaos. This is nuts. I think I'm never gonna watch Beanie again. I want to be safe. People want to get food and hydrated fast. Right now, I'm just trying to get home. Subscribe to Cherry Jerry on YouTube. Okay. Yeah, making light of a bad opportunity. Stay safe and don't push people. Those are all people, every last one of them. And hopefully I beat the rain. Yo, it's your boy, the C to the Y, the G to the Y, Cherry Jerry Bay. And to avoid copyright infringement, I'll be sharing my personal opinion about the people who handled the event. As you could see, negligence and all sorts of bad decisions were made by a lot of people, but I don't blame the people who handled the situation at all. I honestly think that the bouncers, the organizers, the staff, the police, the medical team, the Boy Scouts, and even a handful of concert goers did their best to coordinate with each other to get the people what they needed in the middle of the hectic situation that we were all put in. The people were getting crushed and were desperate for water. It was very hard to move from one place to another given the number of people pushing themselves forward. Everyone did their best to tell people to go back and stay back, but unfortunately, a lot of people did not listen. So after a few and a half songs later, Beanie had to cancel the rest of their show before more people got hurt. Let me know in the comments down below if you were in the event and your experience being in the event. Also, leave a like at the end of this video if you love Beanie as much as everybody else in the event. Personally, I think it is safe to say that this is an Independence Day show that many people will never forget. I would like to thank the bouncers, the organizers, the staff, the police, the medical team, the Boy Scouts, the handful of concert goers, and everyone else in between for doing their best to help everybody who needed help that night. A lot of people ought to be ashamed of themselves for the decisions that they made and for their bad behavior that night.
so many people. Out of all the first concerts I've ever had, this is the craziest. Okay, hello everybody. BDS! Subscribe to Cherry Jerry on YouTube!